Tired of writing quiz questions by hand? In this video, you will build an automated quiz generator in pure Python that dynamically creates math and trivia questions on the fly. Welcome! Today we are diving into procedural content generation using Python. Whether you are building an educational app, a trivia game, or just want to test your friends, writing questions manually takes too much time. By leveraging Python's built-in libraries like random and string formatting, we can create infinite quizzes with zero extra effort. We will start with simple arithmetic generation, scale up to multi-choice formatting, and finally output our generated quiz into a neat structured format. Let's write some code and see how this all comes together step by step. Before writing code, let's look at the three core pillars of an automated quiz generator. First, we need a question pool or a generator function that defines the rules. Second, we need a mechanism to randomize variables like numbers or terms so each question is unique. Third, we need a validator to check user answers or format output for storage. Using standard library tools keeps our generator lightweight, fast, and completely self-contained without needing heavy external dependencies. Let's start by writing our first self-contained code snippet. We will use Python's random module to generate two random integers and a math operator, then compute the correct answer dynamically. This forms the absolute core of any procedural question generator. A simple open-ended question is good, but multiple-choice questions are much more engaging for quizzes. To create distractors, which are the incorrect options, we need to take our correct answer and generate plausible wrong numbers nearby. If our correct answer is 42, good distractors might be 40, 45, or 39. We can achieve this by adding or subtracting small random offsets and making sure we don't accidentally duplicate the correct answer in our options list. Here is our updated script that builds a complete multiple-choice question. We generate three incorrect distractors, combine them with the right answer, shuffle the whole list, and find the new index of the correct answer. When designing automated quizzes, you can choose between dynamic procedural generation and static template-based generation. Procedural generation gives you infinite variety because numbers and terms are calculated on the fly. Template-based generation uses pre-written text with placeholder slots filled in from a dictionary. While templates are great for trivia and vocabulary, procedural generators shine in mathematics, logic puzzles, and algorithmic testing. Let's implement a template-based trivia generator using dictionaries. We define a list of facts, pick one at random, and swap out words to create a question and a set of plausible choices automatically. A complete quiz application isn't just a single question, it's a collection of questions grouped into a test bank. We can organize our architecture hierarchically. At the top level, we have a quiz object or session manager. Below that, we have a list of question generators. Each generator produces individual question dictionaries containing the text, choices, and answer index, allowing us to export the entire session easily. Here is our final comprehensive script. We combine our math and trivia generators into a unified quiz creator that builds a 5-question assessment, stores all the data cleanly in a list of dictionaries, and prints out the complete generated test. Looking at our completed workflow, generating automated quizzes follows a clear pipeline. We initialize our generator sources, run our random selection algorithms to assemble questions, format everything into standard data structures, and finally deliver the quiz to the user or export it to a file. This modular approach makes it super easy to add new question types later. To wrap up our coding journey, let's look at how easy it is to convert our generated quiz into a clean JSON-like string representation using Python's built-in string and formatting tools, making it ready for web apps or file storage. Congratulations! You have successfully built an automated quiz question generator in Python using randomization, distractor calculation, and structured data output. You can now expand this project by adding more question templates, connecting it to a database, or building a web interface around it. Happy coding, and see you in the next lesson.